Another day, another off-road adventure. We are at Mount Woodside.
Yep.
Which is near... Jeez. Someone doesn't know his forward from his reverse?
Maybe.
Which is out near Harrison-ish area. And we are going to check out more of this than what we've done in the past. We came up here once before, but we only went to the glider launch place. So we'll see what else is up here. It's very busy, so there must be some stuff to do, because otherwise why would there be this many people here?
I'll let these guys go.
Okay, that's all.
Alright, so we're trying something kind of new here. I got a, oh, that's pretty cool. The camera's like floating on top of the, it's like an off-road thing, because nobody's ever actually tested this camera off-road, so I'm going to be the first one. With all the shaking and to really give this gimbal a run for its money.
Let's get scratching.
We've definitely made it past where we needed to before, or where we were before, where we hit the snow. I think this would have been interesting, and definitely probably would have gotten way too out of hand in the snow with this.
There's a lot of shade, so I feel like it would have been a lot of like very deep snow probably.
Yeah, probably. Maybe a lot of places where if there was a little bit of ice, you wouldn't, or if it's like slippery, you wouldn't want to be off grip.
Yeah.
Nice little dip here. So now we want to go.
Sure.
We actually want to go straight.
Yeah, I figured as much.
There's a lookout if we go left, the ultimate lookout if we go left, and then Ramp Rock is straight.
Let's go straight.
Yeah. Go straight.
Ugh. Double duty. I'm not just a videographer, I'm also a cord mom holder.
Go for this.
Whoa. My sunglasses are gonna fall off my head.
Oh wow, this is pretty
technical?
Yeah. I'll video this on the way down and put the camera on the roof and see how it looks. This is one of those like shaky moments where it might work good.
Rory doesn't like this at all.
Put him in the back. Oh, this is pretty. We at this, we're almost at Ramp Rock, because I've never been up here yet. And look at this view. It's funny. Oh, there's Ramp Rock too. It's just funny because everybody comes up here and they're like Ramp Rock, but like, how about the view?
Yeah, I actually, that's not really that.
Yeah. Okay, well Leslie's got the camera and I'm about to back down. I'm about to back down Ramp Rock.
I feel like this is like some sort of video game or something. It's very weird.
Let's see just how stable it is. I think this is a mode. Let's go 1. Going too fast over any of this stuff. That's how you cut tires and do all sorts of things you don't want to do. I'm actually really surprised too at how challenging this is.
Do you know how hard this is to like look at the screen and not like I can kind of tell?
Let me see. Well, that's roughly where you want it. It's about
Yeah,
right.
but no, but it's hard for me like to like be like not flying around, but also like because I'm not looking at properly like what's happening.
I'm gonna hit a bush. Yeah, that's okay. So you want to go around.
More bushes.
Oh, I go around this. Very slow. Yep. Let that independent suspension do its thing. Oh yeah. Oh, I wish we had done this before. Like taking the front sway off.
Well, I didn't know it was a thing, so.
Oh, I did. I just didn't know how.
Uh-oh, what happened to the screen?
Oh, it's just a little bit bright. That's okay. It's just, the white is showing you where it's overexposed. In case you need to make it dimmer, but it kind of. Oh, that's very bright. I think we go back into the shade, don't we?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we go back into the shade. Now, what do we do here? Yeah, I think that's right. I think we went around this way.
I think so too.
I think lots of people are. So you can see them. Let's go slow. Oh yeah, that was it. And that back wheel's gonna drop down. Nice. Let's see one. Another section to test suspension. Oh, it feels so good. This is what it must be like to drive like a Rubicon or something with the front sway bar disconnected, but only it'd be better with a Wrangler because then they're just more built for having that like suspension go up and down than this. But for an ex-mall crawler, or a mommobile, whatever you call it.
Mommobile. Mommobile. Suck it, mommobile. I don't think that's me. I made up.
No?
No, I don't think so.
I've never heard that before you.
Mommobile?
And that's the end of the hard section. Yeah, that was the beginning of the hard. On our way. And that is it. We're on our way back now. We go air up, get some lunch, and then head over to Norrish. And then we'll see where we're at after we go up Norrish.
To Burnaby and back here, so.
So my battery just died. Luckily we're in Mission. We smelled something burning and I couldn't figure out what it was. And I thought it was gear oil. That's what it kind of smelled like. But
like
now I could kind of check the battery and it feels kind of hot. So I'm wondering if that was the case and something was burning up that wasn't supposed to be burning up. It's like 30 degrees out, so it's kind of like the worst possible timing ever for things to break down.
If this is where this is heading in any capacity, then it's probably better if Rory and I don't have to go in the tow truck because it's gonna be like not the best.
Well, at least Rory.
Yeah. At least Rory for sure.
Yeah.
It's also very hot for him. He's a very hot puppy right now.
So we're waiting for my friend to come here and meet me with some tools to see if we can figure it out.
Safe enough for us to be here, but not safe enough to leave it.
And then if we can't get going, then we'll have to call a tow truck. And that's where we're at. He should be here hopefully in 5 minutes because he's according to Google Maps, he's only 8 minutes away. So
figure out something to get us off the road at least, then that's great. If not, then we're going to call a tow truck either way.
All right, we'll update later.